All right, we are live. Good stuff. All right, so we are having some technical difficulties, and we're going to go ahead and get started with the show in three, two, and a one. Trade intuition. All right, so if y'all have been with me for quite a while, you would know that that is my intro from long, long time ago, about 4 years ago, 5 years ago. And well, I'm using my backup computer. Having some issues, electricity wise, at my place. Breakers keeps on flipping. Don't know what's going on. Don't know what's going on. This is an older place that I'm at, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to get an electrician out here or try to figure it out. The breakers keep on flipping. So, of course, let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. Let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. Hopefully, y'all are dropping on in. All right, good stuff. I do see bullish on parade. Now, I don't know if, well, I'm not going to be able to bring up the chat. So just kind of let y'all know, won't be able to bring up the chat. Um, again, this is all like last minute stuff. You know, the show must go on. And like I said, I'm using my backup computer. So some of the features will be different. No background music, no intro, no nothing. All right, let's get started. I do have my trusty pen and paper. So if you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. We'll look at those coins, and then hopefully we can all make some money. All right. We got Bullish and Parade here. I do appreciate you. We got Sin in the house. Appreciate you, man. See here. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. What is this? Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Crypto bubbles on the daily. Oh, I need to find my. Hopefully I don't cough in y'all's ear because try to find the mute button. We're back on. As far as the crypto bubbles, 14% down on the day for virtuals. We do have Fartcoin down 16%, AI 16Z, same thing, around 15%, Lido around 10%. Let's go to the hourly. And of course, what goes up will come down, what goes down will go up, unless it's a rug. We do have a lot of red. Why? I thought it was going to be a bullish day today. What's going on? We had some nice, very nice news earlier today, and saw that on Piper Academy right at 9:30. Not sure why all this is going down, but of course we always, have lower entries in place. If you do stop losses, we have those in place. We have our targets, we have our levels, and it's just level by level. So let's go ahead and see this. I went ahead and posted this in my group earlier today. I saw this. It says, "Stay tuned for 10 a.m. Big things coming," and I'm thinking, okay, possible. Let's see if it's down here somewhere. Possible talk about the Bitcoin reserve. And it's further, it's a little bit, it's almost here. Here we go. So on January 21st, just in, Senator Cynthia Loomis discussed creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve with Eric Trump. So this is what I was thinking was going to happen. Then fast forward to just a little bit ago, we do have here, stay tuned for 10 o'clock. Then 1 hour ago, it says, I'm honored to chair the State Banking Summit. Okay, so that's not what I want. This right here. I'm proud to stand by my friend Lee to push his confirmation across the finish line. After 4 years of disastrous environmental policy, Lee will restore common sense. Like, how bad is that? Where we have to restore common sense. That's crazy. So hopefully everything will, and it's gonna be funny too. I'm hoping less than a year, but it might take 4 years. But for us to know what a woman is. What's a woman? Well, a woman is a woman. What? You can't define the definition with the word. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents. But here this is, and now let's go to the charts. Where is my charts? Here we go. I'm going to the charts. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, definitely let me know. We got Crypto Candy in the house. What's going on, my friend? What is going on? Let's see here. So on this, I know this is kind of crazy. Now on this, these are our thought process the past couple of days. Let's go ahead and bring this out. So we had, when the price action was here, we were saying it would be really nice if the price action came up here, then came down, creating a double top. If it does, we don't want it to cross this level down here, because what we want to see is a higher low. Here, I was hoping for it to bounce. Then yesterday, price was here. This is really weird. I did not do this, but pretty weird. Anyway, this is here. This is a fixed range volume profile. Why I picked it here, I have no idea. If I was going to do anything, I would do it from here, from this pivot. So we have this area, these areas. And it's best to do it from pivots, not just a random spot. But I don't know why this was even here. So let's delete this. Now, if it does bounce, what it's doing is creating strength. It's showing that there's buyers coming in. And I really thought when we had this candle here, and this was starting to go green, I actually made an updated video saying that this may be the possible bounce. Now, it's not a confirmed bounce until it breaks a pivot. Once it breaks a pivot, then this is a confirmed bounce as it was coming up. And then it came down, broke below our 1 hour time frame. This is on this is the 200 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. Now, I'm getting this jokester. There's a jokester that's doing a lot of comments. Let's see if I can bring that up. And I invited him to the show. Now, for me, I will not ban you. I want to prove either myself right, and I give you the opportunity to prove me wrong. So right now, let's come over here. Let's go to my videos, my live streams. And it was yesterday's live stream. We're not going to play it, but we're going to look at the comments. So on the comments, he says, dude, you're on the 4 hour time frame. And there's times where I will make mistakes. And my reply is, what timestamp? What coin? Like, give me time. Like, I don't know what you're talking about. And, you know, people do make mistakes. I might say 4 hour time frame, but if you ever want to know the time frame, it's always here, and it's always in the background. So that's one thing that, you know, I strongly recommend. You know, if I happen to say something incorrectly, you know, there's a lot of times where not only myself but other people will say, you know, here's our low and our higher low, which is, this is a high and a higher high. Or we might say, this is our low and a lower low. But you can see that it's a higher low. So there are times where we do, you know, we know what we're saying, but the words may just come out differently. Anyway, back to this guy who's trying to beat me up, I guess. Or trying to prove me wrong, I don't know. But he says, dude, you're on the 4 hour time frame. So what timestamp? What coin? Like, let me know. Then he says, yeah, put another entry. If one doesn't hit, the other one will. That's okay. With this mentality, like, it's level by level. Like, nobody knows what's going to happen. So what we're doing is we're going level by level. And again, on this one, I replied, join the live stream. I can answer your questions /statements live. Like, don't be a keyboard warrior. Like, I want to help you. I really do. So post your comments in the live chat. And, you know, if you're trying to prove me wrong, bring a case. Like, show me. And I will bring my case to show you that hopefully I can prove that I'm right. Now, does it mean that I am? No, I could be wrong. You know, it's a constant learning. Anyway, then he goes on to say, why not giving your group if you're confident of the trade is going to make money? Why not giving to your group? Okay, so this I replied with, what are you talking about? Are you referring to me thinking price will go down? Please be very specific when asking questions. Can you make money shorting? Sure, but it's not wise to short in a bull run because the bulls can step in, the buying pressure can step in at any moment and then go up. Price will retrace, of course, but I'm busy researching and finding bigger plays. I'm too busy to be babysitting the scalp trades because it'll be a scalp trade, for a few hours. Now, if it continues breaking levels down, well, then those few hours turn into a few days. But like I said, everything is bullish. Now, granted, is this bullish? No, of course not. But at any moment, this can happen. This is a perfect, I could not have planned this better. This is a perfect example of it can actually change at any moment. So here, like we're shorting, if we were to short. And then out of nowhere, comes down, looks great, and then comes up, comes down, comes up. We're stopped out or we're liquidated. Then it's coming down again, and it comes up even more. So if we weren't stopped out, you better believe we're stopped out now or liquidated. Then here, why don't you short? We could, but it could bounce here. And this is just a baby trade. This is just a few hours. And I'm way too busy, doing all this research. Way, way too busy. And then comes down here, breaks this level. Beautiful opportunity for a short. Not only that, here. You can short here. So what I do is I show you the concept of trading. If you want to take a short, you can with the new knowledge that you have where you trade level by level. Here, it broke it. If you wanted to, you could short. Breaks this level, even better for your short. Coming down, we're trying to reach this level. Reaches this level, and then what happens? Boom, comes up. All your gains taken away within moments. Hopefully, if you are shorting, you're moving your stop loss and profit and continue. Like all this, I show you. I show you how to short. I show you how to long. If you want to do this, do it with the knowledge that you have based off of my teaching. But am I going to babysit this while I'm looking for bigger trades? No. Like right now, oh man, if you were in the group, you would see all the research. Speaking about group, he goes on to say, how come any one of your VIP group people, I'm guessing they're trying to say, why don't my VIP group people post their gains? Gains, they say this. I don't think they're English speaking. I really don't. This might be the scammer. This might be the scammer that changed their name last time. But it's okay though. Like I invite anybody to challenge me. I invite anybody. If you're out there and you think I don't know how to trade or, my system is incorrect, I challenge you. Like, let's go toe to toe. You bring your thought process. I bring my thought process. And I won't silence you. I won't do any of that stuff. Like, I will let you speak your piece because that's how confident I am in my teaching and my training. There's a lot of other people out there that won't give you that opportunity. They will literally silence you right away. Let's go on to read this. How come any one of your VIP group people post their gains? They say this was a setup given. Okay, so basically they're saying, why doesn't any of my VIP members post gains and say they got it from me? I'm asking because I got a text from a friend that wanted to join your VIP, which is baloney, and I think this is the scammer. I think it is, and they're just changed the name, and said that you worse than lifer. No, I'm definitely not worse than lifer. Like lifer is on a different, this person right here, in my opinion. And of course, I have to be careful with what I say, because of course I can get sued and everything else, defamation, all this other good stuff. Watch what he does and watch what I do. You know, he claps and he's all super happy when he wins a trade or when his trade's in profit. It's like, dude, I remember when I had my first beer. Like, I really do. Like, him clapping and being all happy and trading with the emotions, that's not what you want to do, because you're actually trading on emotions. And for me, when I win and I'm, you know, doing nice trades, I'm not super happy and, oh my gosh, I don't believe it happened. I'm like, okay, it's playing out. This is my thought process. And then it says, can't even chart a chart. So I'm assuming they're saying that I can't chart a chart. I have so many people, whether they're my students, whether they're seasoned traders, whether they're admins, whether they're, you know, been in the game for a while, they look at my charts and they say that my charts are the absolute cleanest charts that they have ever seen and very informative. They tell you exactly when to enter, when to exit. There is literally no guesswork on my charts. None. Then, oh, what did I reply with? I show my VIP group setups from time to time. Recommend watching my live streams in their entirety. Very important. Watch it in the entirety. But to save you time, last time I showed my setups from the VIP group was about a week ago. But if you really watched my videos, you would know that. I am nothing like Lifer. Watch my videos and you will see. Would really love for you to join my live stream and ask for a chart setup so I can make you money. Not financial advice, but it's very obvious you don't watch my videos with your statements/questions. I'll be live tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and looking forward to answering your questions, statements at that time. You know, and then hope to see you on the next live stream. So I'm actually calling out this person. You say I'm trash. You say I'm worse than Lifer. You say that my people aren't making money. You say that my setups are, you know, whatever. Come on. Come on, keyboard warrior. I accept the challenge. Anybody else, silence him, quick. And I left these up here. Then he goes on to say, I hope you don't block me because you watch all your videos. I'm assuming he's meaning because I watch all your videos. Again, I don't think this is an English speaker. I think this is that scammer, and he's using like a translation thing. Then I put, I don't block people. I invite them to ask questions and give them the opportunity to prove their point. Lifer will ban you in an instant. I don't. I give you a chance to prove me wrong. In the end, because I know I'm right, in the end, you will learn from me and make money due to my style of trading. So many people here are fake and only want an echo chamber. Oh, you're doing great. Yeah, keep on doing what you're doing. You're amazing. Blah, blah. That's all they want. I don't. If you have a different opinion on trading, if you have a different opinion on me, let's say that you don't think that I'm a good trader, bring it. Bring it. I challenge anybody because I'm confident in what I do. If you have any doubts about my teaching, join my live stream. Ask questions, and I will show you. Smiley face. This shows how I am different from somebody who is trying to scam you with my thought process as far as charts go. I'm extremely confident in my teaching ability and my teaching style. And I call this person out. They're talking trash. Let's go. Let's go toe to toe. Oh man, I hate these. Don't ever do this. 12 words. Don't ever do this. This is a scam. Hide user from channel. Hide user. So I challenge this person. And this person, I'm guessing, is the same scammer from last time. And he's just mad. He's just mad. All right. Moving on. Go and pause that. I'm going to catch up on the chat. let us look at the chat. Let's bring this out so we can just kind of watch this. Oh, I do have the chat overlay. Copy. Okay. Click on X again. Hopefully it goes back. Let me see if my chat overlay works. I don't know. So let me go to this. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Let's see here. Chat. Oh, yeah. I think I had to bring it out again. So let's do pop out. Copy this one more time just in case. Okay. And then let's see if it comes up. Oh, it doesn't come up. Okay, not a problem. Let me go back to this. So give me just a moment. Let me see if I can fix this. So no chat there. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. So let me put this on here. Let me see here. Chat. If this one comes up. Nothing. Off. Let's put this one. Oh, maybe it's because. Where's my. Okay, that's way down here. Let me check something. Okay. So that's that. Appreciate your patience, guys. You guys are the best. So that didn't work. That didn't work. Take that one off. Almost done. And if it doesn't work, what's this one? And if it doesn't work, subscribe. Hey, look at that. That's one of my old things. What's this? Logo. Hey, there I am. Trade Intuition. Okay, so let's go back up here. And let's try this. The URL. Paste this in here. Paste. Oh, it's the same one. Okay. Nothing's coming up on the screen, right? Why isn't it working? Let me check one more thing, and then we're going to get back to the show. Again, I do appreciate your patience. Chat overlay. Oh, it's off. That's why. Enable. Dockable. Oh, that's not what I want. Almost. I know I should have done this beforehand. Let's go. I don't even know what I'm looking at. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. So right now I'm giving you all a chance to put coins. So it wasn't that. Okay, so I had to come back over here. Chat overlay. Copy. So start chatting, guys. Start chatting. Put something in the chat. Let me see if anything comes up. Oh, well, I'll figure that out later. I really want y'all's chat to pop up. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Oh. Okay, so let me see where my chat is at. That's over here. All right, so let me just bring it over here because y'all can see y'all's own chat. Here we got Crypto Candy. Crypto Candy says, listening at work. Okay. I really want this. How do I do this? Chat. I wish everything would be so easy. Chat doc. Behaviors. Chat overlay. So are y'all chatting right now? Nothing's coming up on my screen. I don't know why it knows. Overlay. Let me copy this one. And then this will be the last of it. After, if this doesn't work, then it is what it is. Okay, so this is different. Okay. So now, can we get a bingo bango? Of course not. It'd be too easy. It would be too easy to do a bingo bango. All right, whatever. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. I'm just gonna bring this over here. It's easier for me to see it. No, because I'm all over the place right now. The Bullish Jump Parade says, Joe, I don't know if you look at stocks. I don't. But you wouldn't mind giving this stock a super quick glance? Energy Transfer, LP. So I'm assuming the ticker is ET. Let's check it out. Let us check it out right now. YouTube. I'm assuming the ticker is ET. Retro Mike says, win Gary emoji. Man, I really wish my I hate using my backup computer. You guys have no idea. ET. All. Energy. Looks nice. Looks really nice. I broke this level right here. So if it does come down, I would like it not to break below this level. This in white. It's a daily. Looks very strong. If it does, and it should pull back. Here's a really great chance to get in if you're like right now. What percentage is this? This is from here to here. Oh, 4%. Yeah, definitely. I'd get in right now. I'd get in right now, and then I would be looking for possible retrace. So this is a beautiful order block. We have a sell to buy. Beautiful order block right in here. So it's about 12% from where it's at. And I would actually have a lower entry. I say about right here. This would be my lower entry. And this would be my enter right now. This would be my enter now. So this, with today's date. I don't even know what today is. And this computer doesn't show me. 23rd. 23rd, time is 12:30. Now, as far as the target goes, okay, well, we can use the fib extension magnet tool. And let's just do a kind of a tighter. We'll do from here, low to high to low. And then our targets, take this off, we'll do Alt J. Change this. Do Alt J. These are just our levels. We won't do one there. We'll do one here, Alt J. Then we can go and hide this. That way we can get our targets. This is our lower entry. We enter now. This is our first target, roughly around 25%. Now these are stocks. So this 25% will be roughly maybe a month or two. Roughly. Now, is it going to go straight up? No, of course. It's going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. And then maybe down some more, then up, down, up. So there's plenty of chances to enter this. And then here, your next one will be about 40%. And then this one, what I recommend is sell 50%. And the rest, you just moonbag it. You just leave it there. All right. See, Retro Mike says, win Gary emoji. No. Sin says, internet's full of sticklers. Yes. Crypto Candy says, level by level. and also economic data. Well, let me put this over here so y'all can see when I'm doing it. Level by level, and also economic data, new flash code. Yes, anything can change. That's why we take it level by level. That's exactly right. Like Joe says, we never know the next moment. We just have the immediate data, and the data is always changing. Yeah, Crypto Candy's spot on. Dylan says, let those know it's all past and define their own luck. We all love you and your honesty and all you do for the community. You're the best. You're the best, Dylan. All set. What's up, my man? Rapper battle. Let's go. Let's go. T.I., Joe, and the fam. What's going on? Appreciate you. All set. Battlefield 2025. Let's get it. Let's go. I remember when I had my first beer. Oh, yes. I remember. I really do. You know, the dude is a joke, man. He's a freaking monkey and everything. He's clapping. And, yeah, who else made money with me? Who else made money? And this fool, he got out only, you know, because he has such high leverage. You know, he makes like 50 bucks, 100, 200 bucks because he's trading with so much, very high leverage, that he closed out his trade. And I would do the same. Shoot, I'm in profit. Close out my trade. But he does it, and he's like, oh, you want to have a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 3, and here's the risk, and here's the reward. But he doesn't even go a 1 to 3 risk-to-reward. When he's barely up, just barely, he closes it. And then if it continues to go up, who else is in the trade? Who's making money off the call I did? Dude, you closed it. So that means it's done. Like, that doesn't even make sense. Like, it really makes no sense. But then if it goes down, who else closed a trade with me? You know, secure your gains, blah, blah. So he's right either way. And then if it goes down, well, he's got an excuse for that too. So it's just crazy. Next one. Oh, I got to check my cameras. Got to check my cameras. I'm expecting a delivery. And while I'm doing that, oh, perfect. So let's see here. Okay. So give me one moment, guys. We're all over the place today. Give me one moment. And I'm back. And I'm back. All right. Let's see here. Rapper battle. Let's go. Here, Automatic Beats in the house. What's up, Automatic Beats? Okay. Kelly, what's going on, Kelly? Kelly says, don't sweat it. He's probably trying to get a rise out of you. And see, here's the thing, too. Like, there is no rise because I'm confident in what I do. If you don't think I know what I'm doing, you obviously are not watching my show, my channel, my thought process. I mean, it's very obvious. So when anytime anybody tries to attack me, it's like, where's your proof? Where's your proof that my trades suck? Where's your proof that whatever? Like, show me. So that's my thing. I was like, show me. What's this countdown? Oh, because we're already at the end. Let's see here. Every trades with their own edge. Yeah. And if my stuff, if you don't like how I trade, or you might get a little bits and pieces, but not like all of it, well, use your, like, there is no one way to trade. Sicario, what's up, my friend? Sicario says, sorry, Joe, but I'm gonna unsubscribe. Oh, no. I'm going to find that guy and follow him. No, don't do it. Al says, like my boy Stifler would say. Yep. Joe, rock out. Yep. We all know the saying on that one. You got it. Also, it says, I'm confident in my system. Back tested and back tested some more. Exactly. Oh, I hate this thing. When you click on it, it does that. Let's see here. Going down the list. Going down the list. See here. Vincenzo says, hey man, will Bitcoin fall under 100 in the next couple of days? Okay, we will look at that, my friend. We will definitely look at that. See here. Let's go. Let's go. Medina. What's up, Medina? Here, Vincenzo says, what's your opinion? Yeah, man, I'm going to get you. Sorry it's taking so long. Username says, sounds like someone trying to get you upset. Oh, yeah. See, and here's the thing. Like, if I wasn't confident in my system, because right there, right when he starts talking, I know he's not watching my show. I know he's not watching my channel. He's like, watch me, man. And that dude needs to understand everyone is different. I'm patient. Hint. See, Baba Yas. What's up, my friend? Teast in the house. What's up, Teast? Appreciate you, man, being here. Username says, I like you, King Chart, but don't block me because I watch every day. Yeah. Yeah. And I think it's the scammer. Because remember how that scammer, he tried to scam me out of money? And I was like, no thanks. And he's like, well, I'm going to do your channel, blah, blah. And then what he ended up doing is he changed his name. And as I'm talking about my group, he says that he's lost a lot of money, et cetera, et cetera. And my call outs are trash. And I said, dude, like, what call outs? Like, show me. Like, where's your proof? And I didn't block him or nothing. I said, show me, where's your proof? Let me know. And I even did a not a competition, but I did a challenge. I said, every time I do a setup, I want you to, remind me about that setup, maybe 3-4 days later, since you're watching, 3 or 4 days later, and see if they played out or not. Like, let's go. Because I'm confident in my stuff. Now, do they always play out? Of course not. If so, I'd be a multi-quadrillionaire. We're trading against people. Here, test. Rib chat. A bingo and a bango. Yes, ET is a tickler. Yep. Username says, so who's going to take the mic and start singing karaoke? Oh, never mind, he's back. See, what's up? French Toaster in the house. What's going on? Username. Let's see here. We should have a game day like that on our own Trade Wars. Dude, so back in the day, this was before Trade Wars. Once again, me and Lifer, we were friends, dude. We were good buddies. And this was before he got big. And we were doing a Telegram where we could, see each other on camera. And it was back in the day. And, we're just talking and everything. And I told him, I gave him that suggestion. I said, dude, it would be so cool if, I go on your show or you come on mine, whichever, and we have like a trade-off. We would ask the audience what coins they want us to do, and we would pick who they have to vote on that coin. And then what we do is we each, with your, trading style, with my trading style, what we do is we enter the trade, and at the end of the week, but we can only have like $100. We do $100, and what we're doing is we're looking at the end, the dollar amount that you end with, and also the percentage. And he goes, well, Joe, I'm very competitive. I said, well, good, man, because then when I kick your butt, it'll be that much more fun. Ooh, his demeanor changed. He did not like that I thought that I was better than him. He didn't like that at all. And then shortly then after that, he blocked me from everything, kicked me out of his group, blocked me from Telegram, the whole nine. It's funny. But that is the type of person who doesn't want to be shown up. But I can definitely, and could he get lucky? Sure. Could I get lucky? Sure. But when it comes down to it, it's skill, And it wouldn't be like trading wars to where we got to trade with super high leverage and only for like that hour. It would be, we have the trade open for a week. You can enter the trade as many times as you want, exit the trade as many times as you want. So, like if it's coming down, you can cash out, wait for it to retest, enter again, and then the end of the week is like, okay, I made $32, and my first one was 10%, my second one was 20%, so on and so forth. So just give you a heads up. All right, let's see here. Going down the list. And on the list here, we should have the same game day, trading wars. Yeah, and I'm good with that. Yeah. So let's see here. All set. Can I trade? Let's see. All set. I can't trade silver though. Dude, I can't trade. When I'm out, getting crazy, and I trade, and sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. But if I do lose, it's okay. I can't be mad. See here, beer and the ribs on the side. Yum yum. Okay. Did you speak about Chris? Don't understand. Give me more. Give me more context. What do you mean? Did I speak about Chris? You didn't say as I'm eating ribs and drinking beer every day next week. There you go, my friend. Man, pretty soon we're gonna be waking up. Well, I'm gonna be waking up. I'm gonna be eating a big old steak for breakfast and lunch and dinner. It's a balanced meal. A DCS guy says, "Hey Joe, I have to go. Smash the like. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Give you all the nutrients you need." Excellent. So we're caught up on the chat. I do thank you guys very much for the chat. You guys are the best. Let's go ahead and continue on with the show. I didn't get any coins, but I did get a question. Are we going to go down to 100? So this is what we're looking for. Right now, it did break above our POC, point of control. There are a lot of lines. Where are all these lines? Let's hide all this. This is what we're looking at. We don't want to break of this 101. So before we didn't want to break of 101.040. We didn't want to break here. Now we don't want to break below 101.5. And all this is just level by level. If we do break below this, we do have a chance right here at 101 for us to get support. And then our last chance is 99.6. This is our last chance before we start breaking other levels, potentially. Again, we don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. But what we're looking at right now is, one, we're looking at this high and a lower high. We absolutely need to break this high in order for us to be bullish. Because if we break this high, this is saying that there's a very high chance we're going to continue this going up to about here, coming down. Now what we need to do is we need to create a higher low. And the higher low could be anywhere from here, 104, to possibly 102.5. So within this range, we need to do a higher low. And then the next step, breaking above this. Where do I have that right there? This should be here now. This didn't update, I guess. And what we're doing now is we're breaking this. So we're breaking this level, but we don't want to break this level. And all that's doing is showing the confidence in the trade. Let's see here. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? Oh, Crypto Chris? Yeah, man, I'm not sure if you heard yesterday. Somebody asked about him. Unfortunately, he is no longer with us. He has passed on to the next life. Can't speak about it. I know a lot of information, but just out of respect, that's all I can say. He's no longer with us. And it's sad too. Like, he did a lot of people wrong, including myself. But spending time with him and being his best bud and all this other good stuff, it's pretty sad. Pretty sad. But hopefully, his family's doing good. I talked to his stepson. He's doing all right and everything. And we'll just see. We'll see what happens. As far as my living arrangements and everything like that, I'm not sure. But we'll see. I'll probably just get another place or just stay here. I don't know. See here, going down the list. See here. I think the market makers will take us down again. Yeah, I'm still living at on his property. See, but the thing is, like, that's the only thing that I had signed. Like everything else, he had just promised, but the only thing that I had signed was, and the only reason I signed it was, well, the only reason he did something to get signed was to make sure that I paid. And so I'm paying for the land, which the mobile home sits on. And I'm not sure what's going to happen with it. Hopefully the family will respect it and, you know, just have us continue paying the land, because I'm buying the land from him. It's like owner finance, I guess. But yeah, and then today it's like the breakers are just messing up. Maybe that's him saying, get out of here. I don't know. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see here. Yeah, I can't really talk about it as far as what happened, but he's just no longer with us. It's going on 2 weeks now. I really haven't even like talked about it, but somebody asked me the other day. But yeah, they reached out to me the day of, and I was like, oh, that's pretty sad. I mean, but we all go though. And matter of fact, my cousin and I, we were talking about that too. You know, my cousin, his sister, had passed. And I was like, oh, now it's starting to go our turn. But yeah, so we'll just see what happens to the property with the land. Hopefully I can say here, I love it here. Man, I love it here. And my cats love it here too. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully the family's cool. And I'm cool with the family. Like I met his dad, I met his brother, of course, you know, his stepson. You know, I met them. They all like me. I like them. They're cool. You know, we'll see. But yeah, what I do want to do is build a house on this land, though. Build a house and just stay here. But the house build that'll be like in like a year and a half from now. We'll see. But Bitcoin, Bitcoin currently is making a move, making a big move, and this is why I don't want to short, because I mean this can happen any moment. And then what, you know, people are shorting right here. So this is what people are doing, and I'm in groups, man. I'm in groups, and it's like they'll do something like this. They'll do a setup like this. Take this off. They'll do a setup like this. They'll do a setup like this, and then they'll do another setup like this. And that's all they give you. With me, I say exactly when to enter. Exactly. Like I say, enter now. Have lower bid down here. You know, if you do a stop loss, have your stop loss down here. Here are your targets. Sell 50%, like extremely detailed information. Sell 50% here. A matter of fact, let's go to this. Let's go to this. This looks so weird because it's not updated. Let's go all down here. I think I have, let's see, do I have any of these? Look how detailed this is. This is my Telegram. Y'all want to reach out to me? Reach out to me. Telegram's right there. At trade_intuition. Very important you put that underscore. Very important. Look how detailed I am. Must wait for 6. I don't say buy the breakout, buy the retest. I say must wait for 6 4-hour candles to close above this level prior to entering. It doesn't get more detailed than that. I don't say buy the breakout, buy the retest, enter when it in this zone. I'm giving you exact instructions. This one, do I have any instructions on this? This one, I was just saying it, you know, the alert has to go off. 4-hour candle has to close here, and the alert must go off. You don't enter just because the candle closed. The alert goes off, and then you check. See, it's Sunny Bull says, "Wow, crazy man. I'll never know what really happened." But damn, man, yeah, it's pretty sad. I mean, it might come out, but I won't say anything. I'll just let you know he's no longer with us. No longer with us. And we had good times too, man. I would drive him to his doctor trip, and I think it was like 5 hours going to there, then 1 hour at the doctor, and then 5 hours back. It was a full day thing. And it was cool, you know, we hang out, we talk, we get lunch, dinner, whatever. It just like he literally screwed over people. I'm not talking bad about him, I'm just telling the truth. Let's go to this one. Dev instructions. There's a few that I don't think I put them here. Sometimes it doesn't save it. It's weird that sometimes it saves stuff and sometimes it doesn't. Right. Oh, look at this one. Radium. That's your alert. The radium's ready. I was hoping that it come into the buy zone, lower entry here. Didn't even come to it. It came down pretty close and just taken off. Radium's ready. So let's do a radium setup. Let's change this. Go to this. Close tab. Yes, close. Not sure what I did. Oh, and this will be the last one. If you have any questions, let me know. No more charts. The chart session has closed. No more charts. Let's do a radium, USDT, MEXC. Are we in radium? I sworn we were in radium. Radium? I could have sworn. Username says, Tracer Joe. To you, what is ideal pairing a beer with ribs? To you, what is the ideal pairing of beer with ribs? Potato salad. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. We don't. Oh, Ray's right here. Yeah, we got in Ray on the 4th. So let's see, January 4th, and we had lower entries. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. All my drawings. I didn't do this. So January 4th, we got in right here with a lower entry of 30%. So let's see. Ooh. Uh-oh, something happened to my computer. What happened? My OBS is freezing up. Let's see. Oh, everything's freezing up. Come on. So that might be the end of the stream. I'm not sure if I'm still streaming or not. But this is ready. If I'm still alive, this is ready. You can see my mouse moving. You know, you do an entry here, and then I'll do a lower entry like 30%. But radium is moving. And we may have entered this one a few times. Look at this beautiful pullback. I think that's the end of the show. Everything froze up on this computer. Not sure why or what happened. I do have a lot of stuff running on this computer. It's automatic running. I got nodes running. I have everything running. So let me know. I don't think I can see the chat either. Yeah, I think the chat is frozen. I'm going on my phone right now. Hype up the chat. Let me see if my internet's on. Hype up the chat. Let me see if I can